Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert video or audio files into text document. Means if you want to take any notes or any information from any of the video or audio file, so no need to write it down or no need to type it in the document. It can directly convert it into text. So after that you can use that. I'll show you in two different methods how to do that. First method is online method. For that we required internet. In first method I'll show you how to convert YouTube video files into text files. Second method is offline method. There is no need of internet. Without further delay, let's start with the first method. Open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, open YouTube. Here, open any video of your choice. I'm opening
and hit the
one
bell
of our
icon.
channel
This is how you
video.
can support.
Open another tab. In the tab, search for Chrome Web Store. In search result, select the first result, Chrome Web Store. Here we are going to download one Chrome extension. So for that, here select for extension. Search here. The extension name is YouTube to text. So in the search result, select the first option, YouTube to text. When you open that result, one option will be available, add to Chrome. When we click on this add to Chrome, that extension will be added to our Chrome. I'm clicking on the add to Chrome. It will ask for if we want to do it for all the websites or particular website. So we can, I am adding this to all the websites. Click on add extension. So YouTube text has been added to Chrome. Extension has been added, but it will not appear on the address bar. So this extension shortcut will be available now. Click on that. So under that YouTube to text extension is available. So we have to pin that extension to taskbar. So see that YouTube to text extension has been added to the taskbar. After that, come to the youtube.com page. Just refresh the page. After refreshing the page, YouTube to text extension will start working. See that window is open and it's already translated or converted all the content from that video into text file. So here they given one copy option also. Click on that copy. All the text from that video will be copied. Open the Word or any notepad, blank document, Word blank document I'm opening, and Control V. I'm pasted the text content. This is how we can convert video file into text in online. In second method, we'll do it in offline. For that we need one audio file, also one video file. So I saved these one video file and audio file on my desktop. This is video file for text purpose.
Hello everyone, welcome to Easy
Purpose.
Classes.
I made this video.
In this video, I'm going to show you.
And this is the audio file.
Hello everyone, welcome.
For second method, we need to open Microsoft OneNote. Search for Microsoft OneNote. Open the Microsoft OneNote. In Microsoft OneNote, under the insert option, transcribe button will be available. We need to open that one. Under the insert menu, these are all the options available, but that is not visible. Transcribe button is not available, so it might be hidden. So another more commands will be available under this three dot. Click on this three dot. Under the recording option, transcribe button is available. Click on that. When we click on the transcribe button, one window will open. In that window, upload audio option is available. So we can upload any audio file or video file here. It will transcribe to the text. Click on upload audio. Locate your file. I saved my files under desktop, right? So I will select audio file here and click on open. After uploading, it will convert the file within minutes. In offline, we can do up to 300 MB size audio or video files into text documents. So it's converted to text documents. Here it will come. So if you want to copy this text to another Word document, or if you want to copy this here in OneNote only, you can copy and paste anywhere. Like this we can do video file also. Here is new button is there, new transcription. Click on that. If you want to save the old transcription, or else you can just click on that, it will delete automatically. Then click on upload audio. Now I will upload video file. Click on that video file, then open. In video file also it will listen to the audio. According to that it will convert the content into text. Here converted text is available here. Same, you can copy and paste it anywhere you want. Like this, in offline we can convert any audio file or video file into text. Hope you like this video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.